Coronaviruses are the large family of viruses which can cause severe problems like MERS and SARS. This virus has not been previously identified in humans. First time this virus discovered in Wuhan city of China in December 2019. Coronavirus affects respiratory system and cause fever, cough and breathing difficulties. In severe case cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory system and even death. Coronavirus spread through small droplets during cough and touching the infected surface. There is no special prevention for the coronavirus, but we can prevent from the coronavirus by regular wash your hand with soap and sanitizers. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself. Avoid touching eye, nose and mouth. Avoid from traveling. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.